Hey guys, welcome back to the video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little shaky. We saw the flash crash where Bitcoin fell under 70k and Dogecoin actually fell under 15 cents. Now keep in mind there are a lot of meme coins which have done very not good numbers today, but at the same time there are some meme coins which are slowly starting to climb back up in the market. Now keep in mind right now, due to this flash crash which we received, again we're back to the same routine, which is the 6 coins are the only ones which are over $1 billion market cap, and this would be a perfect time for you to look for something which is showing some really positive sign. And the one that I have been talking about is PlayDoge. I feel like a lot of people are missing out on this. Right now it is sitting at $3.1 million already raised for their pre-sale. Keep in mind, exactly 1 week ago when I made the first video about this token, they had only raised about 250,000. So the people who watch my video or watch that one and decide to buy in, trust me, they're already on a 10x. But do I think it's too late now? Absolutely not. This is still just getting started, and trust me, this can easily become a $30 million project even before the pre-sale comes to an end. And after that, once it goes public, trust me, there is so much more bigger things to happen. Now for the people who do not know anything about this token, I just want to show you guys something important. So you guys know that this season, like just in the last 2 to 3 days, BNB has been doing some big numbers. It's growing in numbers very quickly. And PlayDoge decided to bring out a big news, which is PlayDoge has gone multi-chain. Now staking is available in BNB and Ethereum chain. So clearly they are paying attention to what's happening in crypto and making sure that they can be part of it and make sure that they're able to do big things. Now if you do not know what this token is about, it's very simple. This is going to be a play to earn game, which will be 2D adventure, which will bring a lot of nostalgia for the people who are my age, about 20s. Then you guys will realize that this is going to be a big thing. They have already been featured on some really big names, crypto, bitcoin.com, Binance Square. At the same time, this is a first image of how the game might actually look like. So you're going to be having a pet which you can take care of. Also, you can play against other players and you will be able to earn in-game currency. At the same time, right now it is on the BNB chain, so once you connect your wallet even with BNB, you will be able to go ahead and purchase it. Just pretty much decide how much you want to put in. So 5 USD, you will receive the Doge Play or Play Doge with that amount of money. Now at the same time, I do want to mention something interesting, which is their roadmap is looking pretty good. Right now they are in phase 2, which is the pre-sale is still going on, but it will be coming to an end very soon. Once it comes to an end, then the DEX token launch will happen, the product roadmap, increasing the marketing, and at the same time the biggest thing is the app release. That's pretty much going to be the time when a lot of whales will decide to buy into this token. That's why I keep mentioning, you guys are so early, you can still make an insane amount of profit. Now functionality is going to be the primary in-game currency, pretty much like XC Infinity, and earning mechanism is going to be play is earned through engaging with pets and going on adventure game, and utility is designed to value both within the game and broader crypto market. So play to earn, there's going to be a leaderboard, so people will be more engaged to want to play the token. This is going to be the tokenomics, so pretty much half of the supply is going to go to pre-sale, then 11% will go to liquidity, 6.5% to the community rewards, and 12% to staking. Now keep in mind, if you do decide to purchase the token right now, you will be able to stake it away, and if you do not know, the return that you get on staking is kind of insane. You get 1,700% return per annum. It's due to the fact that the token is still early. Once they get to a certain amount, there will be no going back. The amount or the return per annum will slowly start decreasing as more and more people buy into the token. At the same time, the smart contract is perfect. There's no problems with it. There's literally nothing wrong with it. You can see no critical, high, medium, nothing long. At the same time, I want to show you guys their Telegram. They have about 2.5k subscribers, which is growing very rapidly, and at the same time their Twitter also has about 4,000 followers compared to 200 when I initially talked about this project. If you do want to check them out, simply make your way to the description, make your way to this website, and if you want to purchase it, you just need to go to the PlayDoge and then just connect your wallet, and you guys know, simply put in how much you want to, click on buy, and then you guys can stake it away. The price increase will be very soon once it hits the next milestone, so make sure you get in early. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.